Dutch police said on Monday that officers were surprised upon arresting a man in connection with a drunk driving incident over the weekend when his driver's license named him Boris Johnson. The fake Ukrainian driver's license, complete with the former British Prime Minister's picture and correct birth date, was issued in 2019 and is valid until the end of the year 3000. Police spokesman Tace Damstra said officers investigated an incident shortly after midnight Sunday when a car crashed into a pole near the Emma Bridge in the northern city of Groningen. The car was abandoned, but police were later told that the driver was standing on the bridge. The person could not identify himself and refused to undertake a breathalyzer test, Damstra told AFP. The 35-year-old man, from the small town of Zuidhorn west of Groningen, was arrested and police searched his car. Inside, police found a fake driver's license belonging to Boris Johnson, Damstra said. Unfortunately for this person, we did not fall for his forgery, Groningen police said on its Instagram account. Police could not say where the forged document was made, but public broadcaster Nose journalist and former Russia correspondent Kjell Hekster, in a tweet published by the Nose, said that fake driver's licenses could easily be bought in tourist shops in Ukraine. Damstra added, "As far as I'm aware, the real Mr. Boris Johnson was not in the Netherlands at the time."